Usborne Sound Books Jungle Sound. Let's check it out. Let's learn all about the jungle ecosystem and the rainforest habitat with the Jungle Sounds book. Oh, look at the beautiful birds. That one I like. And the frogs and the finger trails and the little raindrops are indented for your fingers to feel. It rains a lot in the rainforest. Can you hear the rain? Oh, lots of animals to identify. Splash. And it's an elephant. This one's my favorite. And I bet you your little one will love this Jungle Animal Sounds book.